How to write a letter of transmittal, Technical Communication Center. What is a letter of transmittal letter? It is a letter that announces the future delivery of an order. Customers feel better when they receive such a follow-up letter. It's good business. We'll see shortly what should be included in your letter. Then we'll look at a sample of a fictitious transmittal letter for a book order. It typically starts with the sender's address and the recipient's address. That's a must. There are some guidelines on how to write a letter of transmittal. The letter should open with an appropriate salutation like "Dear Mrs. So-and-so." A brief description of the goods being transferred should follow. Don't forget to mention the date on which the goods will be delivered. Any special instructions for delivery should also be in the letter. Include a paragraph that introduces the topic and states if there is a CTA, call to action, that recipient must respond to. The body of the letter, which includes 3 to 5 paragraphs, should be followed by the signature line, and finish off with the closing. Here we go. A sample transmittal letter for a book order. Date, February 7, 2022. To Doug X. Jones. 123 Main Street, Hillside, California. Dear Mr. Jones, we will deliver your book The Cat in the Hat, by Dr. Seuss, ordered on January 20, 2022. Order number 345TH76, to your above residence on February 15, 2022. We will deliver your package between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. on that day, unless otherwise instructed. Please confirm receipt of this notice via email or phone call by February 10, 2022 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Please advise an alternative drop point if you won't be able to receive the package at your above address. Yours sincerely. The name and signature of the shipping department staff. And that should conclude your transmittal letter. For more writing help, visit tcc6.com. Thanks for watching.